Hello. Can you please tell us your name and your position at Vidir?
Hello, my name is Glauberio. I'm a senior automation specialist at Vidir, working in the Research and Development department.
Can you tell us about your background and culture?
Eu nasci e vivi no Brasil a minha vida inteira. Lá eu estudei engenharia elétrica e desenvolvi muitos projetos de automação industrial. Eu investi também muitos anos aprendendo e aplicando conceitos de gerenciamento de projetos.
What languages do you speak?
Portuguese is my native language. I'm trying to improve English as my second language, and when people speak slowly, I think I can understand Spanish as well.
What are some of your favorite cultural traditions or foods?
Carnaval, futebol e churrascos são algumas das tradições culturais do Brasil. Eu, 7 anos atrás, decidi parar de comer carne, me tornar vegetariano, e agora as minhas comidas preferidas são saladas e frutas.
What made you choose Vidir as a place of employment?
Autonomy, tech challenge, and friendly and multicultural environments are some of the key elements that I was looking for. Additionally, Vidir was great supporting my family through the immigration process that was really tough.
Tell me about your day-to-day work at Vidir.
Trabalhando no time de automação, dentro do time de pesquisa e desenvolvimento, eu consigo aprender e aprimorar novas técnicas de desenvolvimento de software e aplicar esse conhecimento para desenvolver novos produtos e aprimorar os produtos existentes.
What do you enjoy about working in manufacturing?
Working in manufacturing is awesome because by applying the product development process, we take ideas, we take drawings and part of software codes, and we create new products that will solve customers' pain all over the world.
What is your view on diversity at Vidir? How have you seen diversity celebrated or showcased at Vidir?
A Vidir trata todos os funcionários como parte da família. Não importa a sua idade, não importa o seu sexo, não importa nada. E isso é algo maravilhoso.
What are some of the ways that Vidir and the manufacturing industry as a whole could do a better job of celebrating diversity and making the manufacturing industry more welcoming for people of all cultures and backgrounds?
Vidir is already doing an amazing job supporting people from abroad to come to Canada and enjoy the family. So thank you, Vidir, for trusting in the newcomers in Canada.